Hey there everybody, this is the ABLES update for the last day of April 30th. We had a sell-off here in the stock market today. We can see it here in the 30-minute chart, and the intraday price action actually was fairly good for day trading. However, even though today was a relatively bigger day than we've seen for the last couple days, we had a range of about 41 points, and in a manner of speaking, it's just about average, right? Today was just equal to the or slightly better than the blue line here for the average true range. Okay, so this was the morning. We saw prices to start the day. There was resistance in the longer time frame. So basically this whole period here is no trade. And we see a double top there anyway. But as prices start down, we have a nice sell signal here from around 26.75. There was a nice pullback here, and there was actually some chances to get in for even less risk. And if we go down to a shorter time frame after the 3-minute turns, there was a setup there where we could have taken just about like two points or a little bit over 2 points risk. And this ended up being a nice winner here, coming down to, I think it was Friday's lows, and giving us this, again, a no trade zone in the midday. But a nice trade to start the day off. It was better than $800 profit per contract. And then after the test there, the continuation, and it was just a little bit lower. We see the same sort of setup here. I wanted to make this video today, particularly because of what we had talked about in the last video. Previously, we were talking about how prices had gotten up to this resistance level here, and that kind of shows us that we might be going into a narrowing trading range, which has been the case. Today, this little bit of price action lower shouldn't really indicate too much coming volatility, especially since we have news coming out on Friday. On Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we might expect for lighter volatility here in the E-minis. We also had a really tremendous day in crude oil. There was a 2-point range. We see the trade up in the morning, the buy signal coming in to start the day. Prices trade up better than a point, and then there's a little no trade zone here in the middle of the day, and then into the afternoon session, another 600-700 points move to the upside to close out the day. There was a sell-off into the actual close on the futures, and then it's basically been flat since then.